guys, here you can see that one more video is being came on the Array Dsa part 14. This is our part 14. So here you can see it. So in today's video, I am telling you about the Array Dsa part 14. And in today's this topic of my video. Okay, but this is Array part 14 which we are covering in today's video. So please like this video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. So you know about these type of videos on this channel. So now let's move toward on a big screen and let's do a coding with laughing about different ways of accessing array elements in C++. So in this chapter we are doing some coding also. So let's come on this chapter and let's talk about different ways of accessing array elements in the C++. In this article, two unique and different ways of accessing element from array rather than the conventional means ARR in the square brackets I expressions are discussed below, like using pointer ARR plus 1, using a little manipulation I underscore AR square brackets ARR for using arrays, and the reason behind that. When a C++ program is compiled, a symbol table is generated simultaneously. It is formed to store the corresponding values of the address of all the variables used in the program. Let us consider a C++ program and see what will symbol table for the corresponding program. This one example of the C++ program for above concept. This one code we have written in the C++. So now the output will become 5. Let me show you. Here you can see the value of A is 5 and address it is giving me E0x7FFDBAE4C6D4. So now when I run more times it give me a different address. So when I run more times it give me a different address. Here you can see it is giving me different address. When I am running so it give me different address. So you can see it. Only focus on the address. Okay. Here you can see it is giving me different address. So what is that? This one symbol table for the program above will be look like this. Okay. This is one symbol table for the program will look like this. Okay, and when you are running at 100 time, it is changing the address. So you can see it is changing the address of a value. Here you can see it like it is changing the address of a value. Now, so from the symbol table, it can be seen that every variable is assigned an address. Therefore, when the array is initialized, it is also gets some address in the table and array that is stored in a form of a pointer pointing towards the first element. Now, below example is one another simplest way of accessing array element in C++. Here you can see it. So, the number is equals to 11. Now, let me show you. Now, let me copy it. So now the number is equals to 11, like 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Give you this type of one output. Let me show you. Now it gives you the output. The number is equals to 11, like 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Addition of numbers is equals to 81. And average of number is 13.5. Here you can see it. It gives me like this. Here you can see it. In this example, it int a square bracket 10 gets stored like star A, which points to the first element. Okay, this points to a first element and this points to a second element. Similarly, we can have the last element pointed by a star A plus n minus 1. We have n minus 1 as arrays in C++ have 0 base indexing. Using this concept, let us discuss the first method of accessing the arrays. Using the concept of pointers, here you can see this one below is the one C++ program to implement the above concept. This one C++ program to implement the concept. Okay, there one C++ program. So let's run this program. Let me copy this program and let me paste it. And when I run this program, so it is giving me the error. It is giving me give me the output values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why it give me the values till 10? Because in the int I equals to 0, I write 10. If I write here 100 and in the second line of code we write 100, so it give me the values till 100. Okay, sorry, why did not give me? It is tag mismatching terminated. Okay, let me come on it here and 100, and then let me give me 100, and now perfect. So now you can see it is giving me the number till 100. Okay, so like that you can print the numbers. Okay, so like that. So now let's come down. Values is coming like this. Fun method. As observed, like you have observed, an array can be used as star ARR. Therefore, it can be said that as no, star p plus 1 is exactly the same as star 1 plus p. Therefore, star ERR plus I in above code can also be written as star I plus ARR, and basically star ARR plus I means A in the square brackets implying star I plus ARR can also be written as I square bracket A. Now, below 7 says the program to implement the above concept. Okay, so let's run this, and here you can see in this chapter we are doing a many coding in C++, and you are thinking why I'm running the code in C++, why I'm not running in the Java, Python, and like these type of languages, Python, Java, C#, and these. Why? Because C++ has a fast runtime program. Okay, means that when you give the input to the C++, so it give you the output. C++ give you the output in only in 1 second. But when you run it into the Python, then the Python will be give you the answer in like 5 to 6 seconds. But C++ is a very fast run program. It give you the answer in only in 1 second. Let me show you the one more code here. You can see it is showing you. So let's run this code. So when I paste this code and when I run it, so it give me the output here you can see it give me the output in 1 second. And now it give me 10. Why it give me 10? Because I write figure 10. Okay, all the way here I write 10. If I write 100, should give me a 100 numbers, 1 till 100. Okay, and if I write 200, so it give me 200. Let me show you. So like this. Now let me run it. So it give me the numbers till 200. Here you can see it give me the numbers till 200. Now like this you can do it very easily as okay below 7 CS program to implement the above concept. We implement our above concept in C++. Here you can see it. Now output values 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and the output will become like this, and my output has been coming like 200. Why? Because I write in my array I write 200, so that's why it give me output in the 200. So I hope your concept will be clear about it. So our this chapter has been also be ended by the name of, let's see the name of this topic, and in this chapter we do a many coding, and in this chapter we talk about what is the how to get the numbers. How to get the numbers means that in this topic we see different ways of accessing array elements in C++. That's wrap for arrays part 1. Congratulations, you have just taken your first steps into the array universe. Don't worry if it felt a bit like untangling headphone wire. Trust me, it gets easier if you enjoy this video. Smash that like button like you are trying to debug a stubborn error. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss where we will take arrays to the next level. See you there, and until then, keep coding, keep crushing those bugs. So now, for today, goodbye.